हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पति भूमीश विकांत राधा कांत नमस्ते सप्तकांचन गौरांगी राजेश्वरी विषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये ओम वृंदावै तुलसी वै प्रियावै केशवश्च च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सप्तवत्सरी नमो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद गुरु नित्य लीला पवित्रम विष्णुपाद वास्तु सरस्वती श्रीमान श्री वेदांत श्रीराम गोस्वामी महाराज एवं विष्णुपाद वास्तु सरस्वती वेदांत श्रीराम ज्ञान गोस्वामी महाराज जो है चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला विक्रम विष्णुपाद वेदांत स्वामी महाराज विद्वान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एंड ऑल समस्त वैष्णव की चरण कमलों में मेरा
So today is very auspicious day, which is called Hera Panchami. In the Oriya Bhasha, in the Oriya language, Hera means searching, to search. And the Panchami, it is the fifth day after Rath Yatra. Today is the fifth day of Rath Yatra. How long Jagannath Ji stayed in Gundicha temple? In 9 days. So today, fifth day has completed. So he will come after 9 days. 9 days. So he will come on the 10th day, return back to Jagannath temple. And on the Ekadashi he will sleep. He will take rest. Am I audible to you, Facebook users? So after 2 months, he will take Karvat. Means what is called Karvat in English? I don't know. Karvat. And then after 4 months there will be Dev Utthana Ekadashi. So Thakurji creates so many beautiful leelas. Hindi broadcast is going to be available very soon. Shyam Prabhu is trying that. Within few seconds you can check. So now we will, as much as possible, we will describe the Katha, Hera Panchami.
महोत्सव करा जयछे विशेष संभार देखी महाप्रभु जयछे হয় चमत्कार ठाकुरे भंडारे আর আমার ভান্ডার চিত্রবস্ত্র কিঙ্কিণী আর ছত্র চামার প্রজাপতি কা ঘণ্টায় করহ মণ্ডন প্রতিজ্ঞা করো সব উপহার রথযাত্রা হইতে চলেছে হয় চমৎকার। মহাপ্রভু
So Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where he resides, so he used to stay in 9 days in Jagannath Gundicha temple. And Mahaprabhu, Jagannath was staying in Gundicha temple and Mahaprabhu is staying Jagannath Baldab Vatika. So Mahaprabhu took the rest in Ballabh Vatika, and every day he used to take the darshan of Jagannath ji in Gundicha temple. So when the Hera Panchami day came, so Kashi Mishra, so the king said to Kashi Mishra, today is Hera Panchami, so whatever the ingredients Mahaprabhu need, we have to arrange that, and in a proper way we have to arrange all these leelas. This is called the Lakshmi Puja today also. The Hera Panchami means Lakshmi Puja also. So according to the tradition, this all kinds of leela was happened. This is called the Lakshmi Puja Leela also, the victory of Lakshmi. Haribol.
और विशेष करके जो है लक्ष्मी देवी अपने पति
And especially Lakshmi Devi,
नीलाचल सुंदराचल नीलाचल से
from Neelanchal to him, he went Sundarachal.
क्योंकि लक्ष्मी देवी के मन में ये हुआ कि आज 5 दिन हो गया
So it has become 5 days, because after 5 days
हो गया ना कोई समाचार
there was no news and nothing. Lakshmi got,
देश में जाए
if somebody goes to another country,
समाचार देना चाहिए
so he should give some news to his wife. Her,
होता है
so this is a relation,
आप कहीं जाओ
or this is etiquette. So wherever you go, then you should write a letter to that person that I am quite well, I have reached to the place.
भाई जब आप जा रहे हो कैसे पहुंचे रास्ते में क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ
So where are you? If you are going somewhere, so your flight is delayed, whatever happened with you. So
प्रेमी जो होता है प्रेजेंसी ये होता है एक वस्तु होता है उनके हृदय में क्या रहता है अमंगलम आशंका
so who is the lover? They thinks all
प्रेम होता है
who have so much love in their heart. So what happened? They always thinks the bad thoughts about that. Maybe something bad happened to that person.
नहीं हो गया
So they always thinking about that person.
नहीं होने पर भी सदा अपने मन में एक
So nothing is bad gonna happen, but still they always think about that. Bad thoughts come into the minds.
स्कूल से मानो 5 बजे लोग
Let's suppose that if the son of a mother is used to come every day 5 o'clock,
तो आपको मन क्या है
but if it is not returning back at 5 o'clock, so many kinds of bad thoughts come into your minds. Oh, something bad happened to my sons, maybe car accident, maybe somebody kidnapped,
क्या बीमार हो गया
maybe he's sick.
कुछ नहीं होने पर भी
Nothing happened, still
लक्षण कहा जाता
this is the symptoms of love, that bad thoughts comes in the mind. If somebody has love in their heart, so this is the symptoms of that love.
है विशेष करके
And especially this love,
में माता पिता में रहता है
this love resides in the heart of parents.
माता पिता के हृदय में
So the parents,
प्रेम
they have this kinds of love, spontaneous.
यदि आपके बालक
If your son or daughter is not arrived at home at the same time, so you got so many bad thoughts in your mind. So something bad or mishappening with them, something happened with them,
बगीचा में पार्क में जो है
and maybe he is playing in the park, in the garden. Cricket he is playing. Many people used to play cricket nowadays.
माता पिता के मन में
But Mata Pita, the parents will think about, oh, maybe something bad happened with him, unauspiciousness happened with him.
शास्त्र में लिखा गया
So that's why it is mentioned in the scriptures,
अनुसार
according to the love,
ये समस्त मंगल की आशा
this all kinds of auspiciousness comes into the mind. Even nothing is gonna happen, but still this kinds of thoughts comes in the mind.
इसलिए उसी प्रकार
That's why in this way,
मन में ये
in the Lakshmi Devi's mind, she thought that 5 days has been passed away, so Jagannath didn't give any news.
जाने के समय को भी नहीं कहा
And when Krishna was going from here, so he didn't say anything that where I am going.
कृष्ण ने इतना ही कहा,
Krishna just said,
देखो
hey,
मेरा
look,
शरीर को जो रिकवर करने के लिए
so for getting the treatment of my body, for getting being healthy, for getting recovering my body, I am going somewhere. He didn't say that where he is going.
है, नहीं तो मठ वाला लोग आपके लिए चिंतित होगी कि नहीं होगी?
So if you are going somewhere, so you should tell your parents. Otherwise, your parents will be worried.
और पहुंचने के बाद आओ,
And whenever you reach the place, so you should inform that, oh, I will come back or not. So it is not a hotel that you are going and coming. So if you are going somewhere and coming, so you have to give the news to your parents. This is the culture. This is the etiquettes.
है, ठीक है, आप जाओ।
Wherever you are going, you go. There is no denying here. But whenever you are going, you should inform to your parents, and when you are coming, you should inform to your parents so that they can make arrangement of prasadam to them.
बोले कहाँ गए? अब जिसके प्रेम नहीं है वो आते जाते हैं, जैसे
So,
होटल में पड़े रहते हैं।
just like people staying in hotel, so no hotel person cares about that. If you are giving money, then you are coming and going. He don't bother about you.
है? क्योंकि जहाँ पर प्रेम होता
But where there is love,
है, प्रियजन के समाचार देते हैं।
so the lover give the news to be loved. But Lakshmi Devi, she was thinking,
5 दिन हो गया,
5 days has passed away. There was nothing news.
कैसे रह रहे?
Where he is staying, where he has gone.
शरीर ठीक नहीं था,
First, his body was not. He was not healthy. He was just get up from the sickness or ill.
स्नान यात्रा के बाद ही तो
So,
ये लीला हो रहा है।
so after Stan Yatra, this Leela was happening
उसके बाद
after 15 days.
तो कम से कम तो पूछ
So-
बताओ क्या आपके कैसे
So maybe he should inform something that he is okay or not.
इसलिए लक्ष्मी देवी की क्या हुई?
So that's why Lakshmi got so much angry.
है? इसलिए लक्ष्मी देवी खोजने के लिए
So Lakshmi Devi was going to search him that where he has gone.
कहाँ गए पतिदेव, कहाँ
So
गए?
at the day of Hera Panchami, she is looking for searching Jagannath.
इसी लीला को चैतन्य महाप्रभु जो है
So in this Leela, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
साथ बैठ करके
described his Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramanand and other devotees.
बहुत सुंदर लीला है।
So this beautiful drama was going on.
प्रातःकाले महाप्रभु निज भक्तले सहित पहिनु भक्तगण सत्संगे आसिया करिछे करे दर्शन। प्रातःकाले महाप्रभु निज गणलय जगन्नाथ दर्शन कैल सुंदर चले जा। लीला चले आइला प्रभु भक्तगण संगे देखिले उत्कंठ राम पंचमी दिने। काशी मिश्र प्रभु रे बहु आदर करिया सगन सभार स्थाने बसाइल दया। श्रीमान महाप्रभु
Shriman Mahaprabhu, early in the morning, he went to take the darshan of Jagannath, Hira Gundicha Mandir. He took the darshan in Gundicha temple because Jagannath is residing there. And after taking the darshan, Mahaprabhu, he comes back to Nilachal. When he came back, at that time, Kashi Mishra,
महाप्रभु और उनके जितने गण हैं,
so with Mahaprabhu and other devotees of Mahaprabhu, so he gave them place to sit.
और
And then,
चलती जान
so the Leela was going on.
प्रारंभ नहीं।
So Leela was not started yet.
आज एक जगह में
One day, one place,
एक बहुत फेमस है,
there was a very famous person
फेमस सिंगर।
who was the world famous singer.
उन्होंने एक जगह में और कीर्तन करने के लिए व्यवस्था बनाई।
So
उसको टिकट था कितना? 1000 रुपया पर टिकट।
so he organized some program there, and the ticket was there 1,000 per person.
देखो एक दिन में सब बिक गया।
So all the tickets sold out in one day.
निर्दिष्ट समय पर जो
So at the fixed time, people assembled there for attending the program.
शुरू हो रहा
So the show was going to start.
है, लिखा है टिकट में
So it was mentioned in the tickets that show will start from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. midnight.
सब आ गया थे ना 8 बजे से पहले।
So all the people came there at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. So that place was full of people. It was full. So the hall, the auditorium was full of people. So the people were thinking he's a famous singer. So when we will sit in front of him, so this is a night view there. So after 9 p.m.
तो उनके जो सिंगार के लोग कीर्तन करने वाले
So the people who was with the singers,
वो लोग आके थोड़ा ऊपर में शतरंज लगाया,
they maintained the stage.
लगाते हैं।
So they were performing some mridang. Some people used to do kirtan, so they were checking their instruments. So so they have spent it half an hour there. So people were sitting for 8 o'clock. So some people were checking their mridang like from right side, left side. So they were checking like this. So that 9 p.m. So now 9:30 we came. So people are very excited that, and the time became 10 o'clock. And when 10 o'clock, the singer, so he was putting. So there was no kirtan happening. So he was putting he was he was putting the dust on the mridang. He was putting the dust in the mridang. He was checking like this. He was checking and putting some dust on the mridang. So people was sitting from 8 o'clock. So from 9 to 10 happens, and he was checking like this. So the 10 p.m. became. So the famous singer here haven't come yet, and the people who were surrounding him, they all have come. So they were just checking like this, or that they're playing like some instrument. And what happened was checking all the instrument. At 11 p.m. became, So people were so much excited because they have come to listen that singer. So people were asking that where is that singer, because we have given 1,000 rupees. Where is that singer? So the 12 p.m. Now the time has become 12 p.m. 11:45. There are only 15 minutes left. So the main singer came and he said Jai Ho, Jai Ho. When singer came, what that singer did? What he did? He took the harmonium and sang like this. So he was doing like this. So 12:30, midnight crossed. So the people said, "Are you have come now, or how long you will come? You have come." He was saying, means come. So he has come. What are you saying? In Hindi it is means come. So he has come. So people said, "You have come. How long you will come? You have come. Now start singing." The people who was not aware about so they were saying, "What happening? What is happening?" So he was the main singer and saying like this. So people were so much angry that time, because they said we have spent lots of money, 1,000 rupees. So if somebody has spent so much money, so they want to that back, because he wanted to sing here, that singer. So there are three kinds of listener: one sota, shrota, sarota. So everybody is not here to hear or listen. So some are here to listen. So whatever, so they were just gathered there. So now, so he was saying like because he was playing the classical music. So the people who are classical, who know who have a knowledge little bit about classical singer, so they are relishing that. But the people who are sitting behind, so they said, "What happened? What he's singing?" So now 1:30 a.m. So now he was saying Rajkumari, Rajkumari, Rajkumari.
राजकुमारी चले चले चले।
He was saying like this. So the public saying, the audience said, what is happening there? Rajkumari, Rajkumari.
ये भी सच जरूर होता है जो संगीत और ये करते
Are you all getting?
हैं दूसरे लोग क्या समझे
So what do other people will think?
होता है वो डायरेक्ट कीर्तन नहीं करते
So the main Kirtaniya, the famous Kirtaniya, he was not doing the direct Kirtan. He was just creating the environment.
कहीं की तरह थोड़ी आदमी थोड़ी कीर्तन करते हैं
So because he's a main singer, so he's just creating the environment.
ये सब कुछ है
So because and creating the bhumika, which is called preface, he's doing all these kinds of things.
तो होता है ना उसके तरह ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा पंडित लोग ये क्या बोलना है
So whenever Pandit used to do the Havan and Yagya, so fire sacrifice, so whatever they are doing the Vandana, the prayer, so you will come to know that he is a Pandit or he is just foolish. So whatever the preface,
इतना नहीं होता
so you know whenever you read any Granth, so when you hear the preface, so you will come to know what kind of Granth is this.
सब लोग ग्रंथ के प्रीफेस देख करके समझ जाते हैं
So everybody used to read the preface and understand that what is inside this Granth. So that people who was started singing and he just when he was creating the environment and making the preface there, so everybody come to know that oh he is what kind of singer he is.
वक्ता जो होते हैं वो अपने भाषण में ज्यादा भाषण नहीं बोलते
So the speakers who always just create little bit environment before speaking, which is called preface. So people got to know understand that what he is gonna say, what is gonna speak about the speaker. So he was saying Rajkumari chale chale chale. He was creating the preface. He was making the environment. So now the 2 a.m. The time is 2 a.m. now.
क्या बोला
What?
प्रसिता भक्ति का
Prasita Bhakti ka Naika.
वो प्रसिता भक्ति का नहीं तो अपने प्रियन के साथ के साथ मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं
So that Prasita Bhakti ka Naika, she was going to meet his beloved.
राजकुमारी
So which is called Rajkumari Chale Chale Chale. Rajkumari is going.
राजकुमारी जो है
And when this Rajkumari is going, the princess is going.
प्राणदंड के साथ
So she is going to meet his Pranakant.
उसी की वो भूमिका बना रहे
So he was creating that kinds of environment. The time passed. The time became 3 o'clock. So she said, today let her move on. She will meet his beloved tomorrow.
कहा जाता है
His Pran Priyatam tomorrow. So then he stopped singing there.
वो ऐसे कला करके छोड़ देते हैं
So he said, okay, let her go tonight. She will meet tomorrow too, and we will discuss about it tomorrow.
समाप्त नहीं करते
So who are the great speakers? They create the preface and they leave at that point that so people take interest and then they will get we will talk about this all things tomorrow.
सचिनंदन गौर हरि
So the Sachinandan Gaur Hari, who was relishing the Ras Madhurya,
इसमें सचिनंदन गौर
so that's why Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So Swam Krishna himself, Ras Sarup himself, he is the Ras Sarup himself. He is the knower of all kinds of rasas.
आदि वक्त माधुर्य किसके साथ साधन कर रहे हैं
So now he is taking the relish of ras, Lakshmi Devi,
स्वरूप दामोदर
Sarup Damodar. Sorry, now he is relishing the ras with Sarup Damodar.
है और बैठी
So they are sitting in the Ballabh Batika, I think.
क्योंकि रस के ज्ञाता जो है संत चैतन्य महाप्रभु और रस का आस्वादन किसके साथ कर रहे हैं
So the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Ras Sarup himself, now he is relishing the ras with Sarup Damodar.
आदि कथा पढ़
So now we are moving the katha.
और इसलिए यहाँ पर रस विशेष प्रभु रही सुनित होई लमान ईशाधस्य प्रभु सौरभे पुछिलन यद्यपि जगन्नाथ करे दर का विहार सहज प्रकट करे परम उदार तथापि कोटि बत्सर है एक बार वृंदावने देखिते तहान उत्कंठा अपार वृंदावन समय उपवन गान जहाँ देखी पारे उत्कंठित मन বাহিরে হইতে করে রথযাত্রার ছল সুন্দরা চলে যায় প্রভু ছাড়ি লীলাচল দেখো
So now, Mahaprabhu himself,
স্বরূপ দামোদর के साथ
with the Sarup Damodar,
रस माधुर्य
he was relishing this kind of Ras Madhurya. He would like to hear this katha from him. So Mahaprabhu is saying, Krishna himself is saying,
देखो
look,
कृष्ण
Krishna,
रथयात्रा के तात्पर्य कुछ नहीं
what is the meaning of Rath Yatra of Krishna? Krishna is Rasik.
जते भी है द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण
Even he is Dwarkadish Krishna.
किंतु द्वारकाधीश
But
कृष्ण होते हुए
but being a Dwarkadish Krishna,
कहाँ जा रहे?
where he is going to Sundarachal. He is going to Vrindavan for relishing the Madhurya Ras of Vrindavan.
ये स्वाभाविक है।
Because this is spontaneous.
भगवान और भगवान भक्त की ये स्वाभाविक क्या है?
So this is spontaneous between Bhagwan and Bhakt, that they will relish the topmost ras.
क्योंकि रसमाधुर्य सबके हृदय में है।
Because Ras Madhurya resides in everybody's hearts. When Jeev was manifested, so Ras Madhurya also manifested in his heart.
जीव है।
So the who are the first fortunate person, they have this kinds of ras in their hearts. Which bhav? Shant, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. They all have this kinds of bhav, which is very minute form. I just listened about little about Jiva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining the Javdhan. First we have to read the Javdhan. At the time of manifestation of the Jiva, he has this kinds of potency in his very minute form.
सत्संग के आदि के द्वारा
But by the association of sadhu, when the anartha will be removed, so when he will reach the bhav and asakti, so all that kinds of that ras will be manifested in full form. So that's why Mahaprabhu said,
जुनंती जुबोती यथा जिस प्रकार
just like
एक जुबोती स्वाभाविक
one lady
एक नवजुवक के प्रति आकृष्ट
who attracted towards a boy,
क्योंकि जुबोती नाम यथा जुनंतो जुबोती यथा मनो मेरे मन है उसी प्रकार आपकी चलती है।
so just like a girl is attracted towards a boy is spontaneous, in the same way my heart is attracted towards you. This is spontaneous, there is no pretension is here.
उसी प्रकार जीव के
In the same way, Jeev has this kinds of potency in his heart, but it is in a minute form. But by performing an association with the sadhu, that will be manifested, that will be explored. Shravanadi Karaye Uday.
दौय मतलब क्या प्रकाशित
So what is the meaning of Uday? Uday means explore.
इसलिए जो रूप गोस्वामी
So that's why Rup Goswami is saying in the process Ado Shadra, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, like this.
ये क्रम दिखा दिया।
So this is the process.
जागृति उसके अनेक प्रकार के स्तर माधुर्य स्नेह मान
So after beyond the prayer there is stages
और
Madanakya Mahabhav. So this is all showed, the stages of prem. Everything you have in your heart, but what kind of rasa you have in your heart, you don't know. You are not aware about this. But performing bhajan, that will be manifested in your heart.
इसलिए किसी प्रकार का भी संदेह नहीं है।
So there is no doubt in it.
अच्छा हम जो कथा
So now the katha we were describing. So Krishna is the Rasik Shekhar,
परम मधुर
Param Karuna.
प्रेम रस निर्जात निर्जास परिचय परिते अष्टादम राग मार्गे भक्ति योग एक तो महाप्रभु के दिखा
So Mahaprabhu is showing this kinds of things. Mahaprabhu have this kinds of speciality. Look, so why I am saying this? According
यद्यपि जगन्नाथ करें द्वारका विहार सहज प्रकट करें परम उदार तथापि प्रति वर्ष है एक बार साल में एक बार जगन्नाथ जी
once in a year, Jagannath ji came out from the Jagannath temple to Gundichat Marj, Sundarachal,
क्या बोलते हैं
Vrindavan,
गुंडीचा
which is called Sundarachal he used to go, which is called Gundicha Mandir, and which is Vrindavan also.
वृंदावन ऐसे सुंदर
Vrindavan is a beautiful, sweet place.
सारे जीवों की उत्कंठा क्या है वृंदावन में?
All the entities has a desire that we will go to Vrindavan. What to speak about us, Uddhava and many devotees,
जन्म लेने के लिए
they would like to get the birth in the Vrindavan. They would like to get the dust of Vrindavan.
आसान
So they did so much austerity for that.
गुल्मो लतो लतो सीना चार पुस्तक जैसा जन आठ कथन चित्वा भेद मुकुंद पदवी सुति भी विक्रम अरे हम कहते श्रुतियां भी
What to speak about us? What to speak about other Shrutiya, Gopal, Tapnoshipad, and Tapopnishad and other Upanishad, they are performing austerities for getting birth in Vrindavan.
जो उद्धव
So you are very fortunate that you are staying here.
हैं? आप वृंदावन में रह रहे हैं,
Now you are staying in
वृंदावन
Vrindavan.
में बात हैं? किसी कोई साधारण था?
So this is not on an ordinary things.
साधारण नहीं।
This is not an ordinary.
वृंदावन के रहने वाले
So in the morning I was explaining that the person who are staying in Vrindavan, they are not an ordinary personalities.
जिसे कहते हैं वृंदावन के लिए
So
उत्कंठा,
they have the eagerness to desire in Vrindavan.
बाहिर हुई थी मेरी रथ यात्रा छल, ये तो केवल रथ यात्रा के छल दिखाए, बहाना दिखाए।
So Rath Yatra is just a excuse, but actually Krishna.
कोई पूर्व स्मृति
So he was remembering his pastime,
को आशा नहीं,
and he was relishing the Vrindavan Leela.
नहीं जाती।
He never forget.
कृष्ण भूले नहीं
Krishna never forget this.
हैं? यद्यपि कृष्ण वृंदावन छोड़ करके कहाँ गए?
Even Krishna left the Vrindavan and he went to Mathura and Mathura to Dwarika. But he never forget about the sweetness of Vrindavan.
वो कैसे भूल जाए?
How he can forget all these things of Vrindavan? So Mahaprabhu is giving his views here.
सुंदराचल जाए प्रभु छानी नीलाचल, ए सुंदरा चले जाए प्रभु छानी नीलाचल, नाना पुष्पोद्यने तथा खेले रात्रि दिने, लोक की देवी संगे नहीं लय की कारणे। महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu,
स्वरूप दामोदर के ये प्रश्न पूछे।
he asked the question to Swarup Damodar.
अच्छा फिर बताओ,
Okay, tell me one thing.
लक्ष्मी देवी के छोड़ करके
Except Lakshmi Devi,
क्यों कृष्ण
why Krishna
वृंदावन में क्यों चले?
he went to Vrindavan,
सुंदराचल में,
Sundarachal?
हैं? भाई शास्त्र में लिखा है,
It is mentioned in the scripture,
कहीं भी जाए
wherever you go,
पति पत्नी
husband and wife should go together.
है, हमारे वो पुराण में लिखा है,
It is mentioned in the Puran, Padma Puran, Shiva Puran.
पुराण में लिखा है,
It is mentioned in the Puran. Which Puran I don't know.
पति पत्नी जो है,
That married husband and wife, they should go with each other. They should perform the duties, all the satkarms together, not alone.
जो बाहर नहीं है उसके बाद छोड़
So who haven't got married, so leave about him.
हिंदू शास्त्र में
But it is mentioned in the scriptures, who have got married, they should go together everywhere for performing good things.
गृह गृहिणी किसको कहा जाता है?
Who are the husband and wife?
नौ गृह गृहिणी जो केवल गृह में रहने पर उसके गृहस्थ नहीं कहा जाता।
The person who are staying in the home, they are not only grahast, but performing the good activities, the paramarthik activity together with husband and wife. This is called
क्या कि लक्ष्मी
grahast. But Krishna here left Lakshmi ji,
कहाँ गए?
and leaving Lakshmi ji, he went to Vrindavan.
हैं? अरे कम से कम नहीं गए, अच्छा तो बोल करके जाओ।
Okay, if he was going from there, so he should inform to Lakshmi that I am going there. But Mahaprabhu asking a question here.
संगे नहीं लॉय ना लॉय की कहा। सर्वदान के समय जैसे मैंने कहा,
As I told you,
शास्त्र में लिखा है,
it is mentioned in the scriptures.
कौन सा संहिता है? जिसमें धर्मादि की संहिता लिखा जाता है।
Manu.
मनु संहिता।
Samhita.
मनु संहिता में
So it is mentioned in the Manu Samhita that husband and wife, they should, whenever they are doing the paramarthik karya, so they should do activity together. But Krishna has, he neglect this culture. But he didn't take the Lakshmi, he took his sister and his brother, Baldev and Subhadra. Sruddha Mother said, Prabhu, this is the reason is very simple. Look, Lakshmi doesn't have this kinds of adhikar. So, if somebody is doing something according to his car, that is good, because Lakshmi doesn't have this kinds of adhikar that she can relish the Rasmadhurya of Vrindavan. You know very well, Lakshmi is doing the penance in the Velvam. She is doing the austerity there in Velvan, folding her hand. She got, but no, because if somebody doesn't have adhikar, so how they can enter in the Vraj? Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing in this way whatever you are doing, just do according to your adhikar.
तो लक्ष्मी जी अधिकार नहीं है।
But because Lakshmi doesn't have this kinds of adhikar, so that's why
वो माननी है।
she has so much ego. She is abhimani, she is ahankari.
अभिमान के जब हम त्याग नहीं करेंगे
Until we won't give up our ego, our ahankar, so till then we cannot get Bas and Braj.
अभिमान क्या है?
Lakshmi had this kinds of ego that I am the consort of Narayan, I am the Brahmani.
इसलिए
That's why,
जितने प्रकार स्पर्श जो है
so whatever the condition Krishna explained, so she didn't accept that.
प्रवेश करने के लिए भगवान
Because if you would like to enter into the Ras, so you have to take birth from the Gopi womb. So you have to take the shelter of gopis, you have to give up the abhiman of Lakshmi, Brahmani.
यही है कि मैं लक्ष्मी देव
Lakshmi have this kinds of abhiman that I will enter into the Ras Leela in the form of Lakshmi only. Krishna is Gop Jati.
कृष्ण कहते हैं
Krishna is saying that I am the Gop.
नाम अन्य देवी ने नागरिक अंगीकार
Gop.
एक
This is the condition, this is the nishtha of Krishna, that without the gopi, I won't accept anybody.
देव देवी हो
Maybe Devi, Devi and other, I don't care.
नायम श्रीमु नितांतरते प्रसादत स्वजस्ता नमीना गंधा कुतो उचवन्ना रासोत्सव भुजतन्न गरीतो कंसा जो गाल प्रज देवियों की जो प्रेम माधुर्य जो कृष्ण के साथ संग में प्राप्ति हुई
So Braj Devis, they got the love and the prem madhurya of Krishna.
स्वर्ग में रहने वाली
Even the
कमल के वहां
even the apsaras who are staying in the Swarga,
देवियों की भी प्राप्ति
it is not possible for them also. And from it is not possible for Lakshmi also.
नितांतरते प्रसादत स्वजस्ता नमीना गंधा कुतो अन्ना अरे जब स्वजस्ता और जब लक्ष्मी के प्राप्ति नहीं हो दूसरे के कहां पर
So the things which is not Lakshmi in God, so what to speak about others?
मरुदापद यही कार्य
So that's why Sarudamada is saying Lakshmi doesn't have this kinds of adhikars, so that's why so she cannot get entrance into the Ras. So now there is a beautiful word is told by Sarudamada.
गोपी बिना कृष्ण नहीं वही ते नारी मन गोपी छोड़ करके कृष्ण की
So except Gopi,
वही कारण नहीं
nobody can steal the heart of Krishna.
एक साधक
One sadhak
साधन करते
who is performing the bhajan sadhan, and we got the siddhi, stage of siddhi, there are 4 stage.
पहले क्या है साधन
First is sadhan siddhi,
के बाद होता है
then after that
भाव से
bhav siddhi, swarup siddhi and
के बाद
vastu siddhi, and then
परिकर्तता
parikatva.
ये समस्त तत्व
This is the process here.
साधन
Sadhan, when sadhak is performing sadhan, so then all the anarth will be destroyed, then he will get the bhav, and according to the bhav he will get his swarup.
कृपा से जो
So after getting the bhav he will get, and by the mercy of Krishna, and by the mercy of Krishna, so in the Brahman where Krishna's Leela is going on, so in that place you will take the birth in that Brahman,
सिद्ध गोपियों की संग
and then you will get the association of Nidya Siddha Gopis,
कृष्ण के प्रति क्या होगा
Anurag.
अनुराग
So then you will get the Anurag towards Krishna,
जब तक
and
मैच्योर नहीं
when your Anurag is not matured,
है और समस्त कार्य में जब तक आप दक्षता नहीं
when you won't get the in dakshata with maturity in your all kinds of work, so till then you cannot entrance into the Ras.
फिर जब ऐसे जब पूरा हो जाएगा
When all this thing will be happen, then Krishna
अपने योग में आके
by the her yog maya,
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन धाम में
then
आपको ले
he will carry you in the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan. Then you will be the parikar of Krishna.
सब ट्रेनिंग लेना पड़ता है
Everybody has to take training.
बिना ट्रेनिंग
Without the training,
है जा नहीं पाओगे
you cannot go there.
है हमारे शिला रूपों में
Our Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, very beautifully, he recited a shlok. Karanam Karanakaram. Karanam Karanakaram. As I told you last time.
ये समस्त जो माधुर्य रस आदि
This all kinds of madhurya ras, how how you will get that and what is the lesson there. Just like you are a brahmachari staying in a mart, so first he has to give the training that how he has to wear the dhoti. Some brahmachari doesn't know how to wear dhoti. Some and they have to train that how to put on the tilak. The person who is staying at home, the person who are staying in reading. So when they come to the mart, so they don't know how to wear tilak, how to wear kanti, how to say it. Everybody he has to learn here. So, and then gradually he has to learn shlokas. Every day you used to learn shlok here from Guru Tattva, Vaishnava Tattva. All the shloks you have to learn here, and then gradually you will know the meaning of the shlokas. So you have to perform the holy name. So everything according to the rules you have to follow. This is called the Paramarthik Vidya. In the same way, so wherever you go, so you have to take the training. Our Rupa Goswami Pad is describing. So there is a katha here. Once what happened, Krishna near the Radha Kund, he was cow herding the cows. So the noon was coming, maybe 11 a.m. was time. So at that time Purnamasi came. So see the Purnamasi. Krishna was thinking, why Purnamasi is here? So he was thinking, maybe something happened in the Vraj. So what is the tension in Krishna's mind, that he is herding the cows, but he is thinking about the Vraj. What is happening there? Why? He asked the Purnamasi Devi, what happened in the Vraj? Everything is okay in the Vraj? Purnamasi said, yes, everything is okay, very nice. So Krishna was asking spontaneously about the gopis, how are they? Okay, tell me one thing, all the gopis are okay? So Purnamasi said, yes, they all are okay. Now Krishna said, okay, tell me what gopis are doing now. So at the time Purnamasi said, look, Krishna in the Braj, there is a beautiful institute is open. Institute is open in Vrindavan. So now we are taking about the toll. So toll means where the lessons are giving, the education is giving. So there was a school open, institutions. So Krishna was thinking, he was shocked, what kind of a school? What kind of a school in Vrindavan? The person who was staying in Mathura, they used to do this kinds of business. But because Vrindavan people have so simple life, so what they need to learn? They are used to cow herding, spontaneous, they take very doodh, they used to take milk, and they used to eat very sattvic food. So why they are taking education? Sometimes somewhere mentioned in the scripture, Brahmartha and other Puranas, Radha and other gopis went to selling the yogurt. This is all for attracting alls. Are Gurudev used to say, in the Braj there are many cows at every home. Even Nand Maharaj has 9 lakh cows. Vrishbhanu Maharaj has 11 lakh cows. So there is a shortage of milk. So that's why all the Brajvasi have many cows. So who will go to buy yogurt and milk? This is all for attracting the peoples only. So it is said that they went to Mathura for selling the butters. No, it is not like that. Now Krishna said, okay, tell me one thing. In that school, who are the students there? So at that there, Rupa Goswami Pad. So I am just making a preface here. So because today is Hera Panchami, so I am just making a preface, and then I will tell you tomorrow about that. So what Rupa Goswami said? Purnamasi said, in that school, who are the students there? Gauri Gana Patthate. So you have to understand each word. Gauri Gan means, so the girls whose age are 9 to 11 years. So who are the Swapaksha Sakhis of Radha ji? So they are also Gauri. So Gauri Gana means, who are the student of Gauri Gan means whose age is 9 to 11. From 9 to 11 years. The girls who are staying or who are in student of that school. Krishna is saying, okay, tell me one thing. In that school, who is the teacher? Who are the teachers and professors there, and what they teach? So you have to learn. So, hey Krishna,
अच्छा बताओ उसमें क्या क्या विषय पढ़ाया जाता है?
प्रोफेसर कौन है?
विद्यालय में
प्रोफेसर कौन है? What 5 subjects? There are many subjects in the schools: Hindi, English, Sanskrit, math, science. There are many kinds of subjects in the schools, but there are only 5 subjects. Panchashastra. What are they? What are that? Karnakarni means, in that school, what they taught, first they used to tell that how you have to talk with other person into the ear only ear. How we will meet with Krishna, how we will meet Krishna today, so they will speak only ear to ear to other gopis. So just like if you are calling your friends and speak to him and say, please don't say these things to other people. So what? Your friend will speak that things to other people. But at that time there was no mobile, nothing. So all the gopis, so the other one Sakhi to another Sakhi, she is speaking to by only ears, very very whispering, just like whispering. So now we will meet, how we will meet Krishna. So they are discussing, they are whispering like this. So Keshigat, Keshav. So when Krishna was putting his hand on his head, on his hair, so this Sakhi is another Sakhi is understand that, oh, Krishna is going to meet in Keshav Kunj. Krishna is molding the green leaves, and the Sakhis of Radha ji, they used to understand then Krishna will meet in Harit Kunj. Harit Kunj. Harit Kunj. Okay. So this is taught there by the indication that how we can meet with Govind. This is first lesson they taught. And the second thing is, just like Nayak and Nayika, hero and heroines got man at that time. So there is a duties of all kinds of Sakhis. There is a especially duty of Manjaris.
काम करते
What's their duties?
हैं। दो प्रकार के
Just like a
होता है।
messenger.
एक होता है आप्तदूती और एक होता है
There are two kinds of duties. Aptaduti, Swayamduti. You have to read Jab
एक
Dharma.
होता है आप्तदूती
आप्तदूती,
और एक होता है संतदूती।
Swayamduti. Aptaduti, Swayamduti.
और उसी रीति में कोई बंसी जो है यही दुती के काम करते हैं। बंसी
And that banshi, that flute is doing the the work of Aptaduti.
क्या उससे सिखाया जाता है। ये नायक अथवा नायिका मान करने पर
So when hero and heroine, Nayak and Naika got man, so how we have to, they have to perform the stuti.
प्रशंसा करना,
They have to praise each other.
प्रशंसा करना है, उनके स्तुति आदि करना है, स्तुति
Doing their praising their each other. And the third one is
बोले क्या है पति वंचने चातुरी गुणनिका। बोले कैसे पतियों की
that how to
वंचना करना है
neglect the husband.
इसको सिखाया जाता है।
This is taught there also.
ये हमारी कथा नहीं है।
It is not my katha, it is mentioned by Rup Goswami Pad here. How to neglect the husband.
कैसे वंचना कैसे करना।
How to neglect the husband.
कृष्ण के साथ मिलन के लिए
For meeting Krishna, how to neglect the husband.
तीसरी हो गया।
This is third one.
चौथा क्या पढ़ाया जाता
And the
है?
fourth one is
कुंज हैं? कुंज प्रयाणी ऋषि रात्रि काल में
at the night time how
अभिसार किया और बाधित गुरुपाचिनम। और क्या पढ़ाया जाता है? गुरुजन
and how the
अथवा धर्म
Gurujan and the father-in-law and mother-in-law,
क्या करो
when they are giving the instruction, when they are giving the instructions, so hearing from one ear and hearing from one ear and take off from one ear.
नहीं पता। ये भी बात उनके सुने ही नहीं।
Deaf,
बस सुन लिया हंस दिया और इस कान से
whenever you say anything to deaf person, so he will listen from one ear and he will not respond.
इस कान में रहो।
So in the same way, here it is taughting the lesson that whatever you are hearing, do not respond on that.
इस कान से सुनो।
Whatever you are hearing, just smile and go away.
इस कान में रहो, बढ़िया में रहो। जहाँ पर वो बोले इस कान तो जगह पे वो लोग उसके ऊपर जाते हैं काम के ऊपर। इस कान से सुनो।
So is कान से सुनो, hear from this eyes
इस कान से सुनो।
and
और इस कान से क्या करो?
take out from this ears.
और जो सुना
So whatever you have heard, just take off. The people who are not hearing the lecture, so what they take off.
जिस भाव से है, उसी में रहो।
So stay in your same bhav.
तीन क्या गुरु बात
Are you getting?
गुरु लोगों के जो वचन जो उपदेश जो है
So whatever the instruction is given by the Guru Varga, Badhir means who was not able to deaf.
और कोई सुने तो उल्टा टाइप उल्टा बात है।
And if you say something, then he will listen something different.
वेणु विरुता तुत करने की प्रताप। ये तो कान के कैसे खड़ा करके रखो।
And open your ears like that whenever you hear the Venu sound of flutes, so you can go away straight away.
राधे बोली
Radhe Radhe Boli. मृदंग बजाओ.
मोदियो ईश्वरी नाम। अरे राधे राधे बोली मुरली गाती मेरी मोदियो ईश्वरी नाम।
तबला, not मृदंग.
भक्ति मंडल चिंतामणि है राधा मंडल। ये वर्णन ये मुरली जब राधे राधे नाम चढ़ो
When the flutes chant the name Radhe Radhe,
घर से
at the time what you have to do, you have to take off from the homes.
वेणु विरुता
Then you have to come out from the homes and run away towards Krishna.
कोई शरणतवाद कृष्ण गुरु नाम गौरी गणपति यही पाठ पढ़ाया।
So this is the lessons taught there.
क्यों कहते हैं कि लक्ष्मी तो ये पाठ तो पढ़ाई नहीं है।
Because Lakshmi didn't teach this, learn this lesson, the preface I am making here.
ये यहाँ पर जो स्वरूप दामोदर
So the Saru Damodar, he's saying
ये लक्ष्मी के साथ में क्यों नहीं ले?
why Krishna didn't take Lakshmi
गुण होना चाहिए।
with him, because she is not have the qualification to enter there.
नौकरी करो, कोई काम करो, आपके
If you are performing any job and if you are going to work somewhere, so they will ask you that which kind of field you have so much experience. So show your some certificates.
कंपनी ले थोड़ी ले
how company can admitted you in his company? How company can admitted you without any qualification? If you are going to work somewhere, so first they will ask about a certificate, and you will tell there that I have this kinds of experience in this field.
तो लक्ष्मी देवी की कोई एक्सपीरियंस
So Lakshmi Devi doesn't have any kinds of experience. She doesn't have any kinds of certificates.
इसमें लक्ष्मी
That's why
लक्ष्मी देवी के
Lakshmi Devi
कहा दिया है? सुना प्रभु क्या कारण वृंदावन पिलाते लक्ष्मी नहीं अधिकार है? वृंदावन लीलाय कृष्ण सहाय गोपीगण गोपीगण बिना
That's why some Dharma said that Lakshmi doesn't have any kinds of experience.
जत्रा चले कृष्ण रगमन सुभद्रार्पण देवे संगे दुई जन गोपीगण संगीत लीला रूपव उपवने निगुड़ कृष्णेर भाव क्यों नहीं जाने स्वरूप दामोदर करने लगे
Sarudamodar said,
ये प्रभु
Hey Prabhu, what to speak?
लक्ष्मी तो एक गुण नहीं
Lakshmi doesn't have these kinds of qualities. What I told you, the fifth quality is she doesn't she doesn't learn from the school. But gopis have these all kinds of qualities.
अच्छा तो महाप्रभु ये प्रश्न
Then Mahaprabhu asking the other question, okay, tell me one thing
तबे
more.
लक्ष्मी प्राकट्य नहीं कुछ दो तबे के मैं लक्ष्मी दी कार्य करूं तो जब गुण ही नहीं
When Lakshmi doesn't have this kinds of qualities, so then why Lakshmi is becoming so angry? She's presenting his angerness.
खोजने के लिए जा रही
Why she is going for searching his husband?
है यहाँ पर वर्णन करते जा
It is describing how she is going to search his husband.
डोरा बनाए
She make a very nice palanquin. She is chewing the betel nuts,
अनेक प्रकार
and she has wearing so many kinds of ornaments and royal dress.
श्रृंगार के
She has beautifully made up her because she is Maharani, Maharaj Rani Lakshmi.
अनेक दास दसी
There are many kinds of maid servants are there,
तो बजाते हैं
and the maid servants are some some maid servants are playing instruments there.
और अब तंबू वाली पान सुपारी और देखो एक कोई चम्मच बुला रही है
And some sakhis are fanning the charmer.
इसको देख करके
So seeing that, Mahaprabhu was laughing. Hey Swarup, tell me one
क्या
thing.
लक्ष्मी जी ये मान है ना
So is it the man of Lakshmi Devi or what is this?
है? ये थोड़ी मान के लक्षण होता
This is not the symptoms of man.
है ना ये है क्या
What is this?
है? इसके खुद तो यहाँ लक्ष्मी आई का सिंगार है ऐसे करके लक्ष्मी जो निकले
So when Lakshmi came out from there and she moved forward.
राजकुमारी चले लाल
So आगे चले Rajkumari चले Lakshmi she is going. So we will discuss about this tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
अभी लक्ष्मी देवी तो क्या करती है देखिए का बोलो वृंदावन लाल की जय जय
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. See you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.